Can you see me? It's a bit far, right? Setting this camera is seeming difficult, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is just a vlog. I'm going to get things for my kitchen, some equipment I think I'll be needing, so come with me. In case you're a first timer or you're seeing my face for the first time, please do me well by clicking on the subscription button and also the post notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video, baby. All right, let's go enjoy the vlog. I found this shop on Instagram. Y'all know I'm not so conversant with Port Harcourt, but I found a shop in Port Harcourt. Nemi stores something. She sells cookwares and kitchen stuff, so I'm just headed there to get some few things, and we'll do the unboxing when I am done. Got quite a good number of things. Some are in the boots, and yeah, so back straight to the unboxing. I bought a few number of things, so I'm just going to unbox to show you what is inside of this. I'm basically still setting up this kitchen. The kitchen was just newly renovated, so I had to do away with old things and get new things and blah blah blah. So this is like the next day. I'm just waking up and I just brought them out of my boots to the kitchen, straight to the unboxing. So I got this seat. I can't remember the exact price, but I got this seat for my kitchen, and I think I really like it because I have no chair in my kitchen, and there are some things I think I will need to do and need to sit down, or some things I want to do and I'll need to sit down. So I got this. So I got this set of granite non-stick pots, I think for 47,000 naira. Yes. So this she said it's original non-stick pot. I guess it is. This is what it looks like. Nice, right? Yeah. So it comes with, I think, 3/4. This is one. So I'll just quickly do this without talking. I got this. This is pantry containers. Yeah, containers for pantry. Milk, Milo, sugar. I don't know what I'll put in it yet, but I'm sure when I'm done properly arranging this kitchen, I'm going to do a proper video. So it comes in different sizes, and it's about 5 pieces inside. The other 3 are just small. So yeah, I can't believe this remember the price of this one. I'm sorry. The exact price. So pantry containers. This is toothbrush hanger for my bathroom. Very fancy. I found this store on Instagram, by the way. I went to buy this store. Then this is my cereal dispenser. This is what it looks like inside. So this is it. It's about 3 kg, so I think it will contain like 2 to 3 golden ones. They're about. I got a dozen of kitchen towel. Kitchen towel here. Then I I also got this 6-liter air fryer. 6 liter. It's so nice. I got my 5-in-1 dishwasher. So this is the air fryer I got. 6 liters, 37,000 naira for this. And so you might not remember the exact prices because she just so good. So this is it. The 6 liter. I got to know that there is 3 liter and 6 liter. So she was like, this is the biggest one, so I got it. But the 3 liter is a bit small, like it might not grill like large amount when I want to grill, so I have to just go for this. I don't know the price of that, I didn't even bother asking. I also bought a kettle, automatic electric kettle. I think I got this one from Nest, not from her. I got it from Nest Cash and Carry. Here's an electric kettle. Quite a number of things. I got this set of plates. This is what they look like. Yes. I also got a coffee pot. This is what they put. Yeah, really pretty, really pretty. Really pretty. I got spoons too. It's in here. I got a coffee pot, a pot for my coffee. So this is this new trash bin I got. The old one I have is old. So this is it. You can press it here and it will open. I have some things inside. So and you can match it here and it will open. So you can see it's not on the floor. You can just bring here and it will open. So I have some things inside. Towel hangers for sponge. I'm basically going to use it for my kitchen towels and all. Then also for pantry, spaghetti container. Still for spag. Then I got this for egg. This for freezer container. So that's all that's in here. So I got this also. This is like the cutest, and this is just like 6,500. Thank God this one has price tag because most of them I can't remember the exact prices. So this is tea kettle, very fancy. So this is what it's like. So you just put the herbs here, ginger, whatever you want to do in here. And put it in here, then you cover and boil on low heat, and that is it. And I think the container, it also came with 4 cups inside, 4 different cups. I'm so excited unboxing this, trust me, like it's saving up money to buy new. So this is a cup that comes with, really cute, like all the ceramic thing. So yeah, came with about 4. So there are like 5 in a set. The kettle and 4 cups. So I also got another kettle. I know you say kettle, but this is just like a normal kettle. A replacement of my old kettle. You really know why I needed to buy. See my old kettle. It's bad. Like I need to do away with this kettle that served this morning. And yeah, so I have to buy a new kettle. Really pretty. Really pretty. So yeah. So I have this kettle, the electric kettle and the teapot. I think that will serve. It will serve for the time being. So yeah. On to the next. On to the nest. So I got a shrimp pan, of course. Just very simple tray. And this tray is just like 1,200. I don't know, some of them have price tag. Yes. There's price tag on the towel, but it's 12. They just wrote 400 naira each, and I got 1 dozen. I have to calculate that. So hey guys, this wonderful water bottle. The water bottle is like 2.5. So you'll be wondering, yeah. So this is it. The silicone bottle. You can, when your water is finished or you don't want to go with plenty of water or juice, so put it back, squeeze it back into that. Watch me do it. I'm sweaty. Sorry. I'm trying to get these things up myself. So it's just to put it in the original way it was before I. You know, it's silicone, so it's a bit. Whoosh! New house. That means something new is coming, yeah. Or rather, new innovation. I'm open to new things. So this is. I saw this grinder, and it really piqued my interest. And I think it's just 8.5. I have a big blender though, but I can use this to grind egusi or bono and all. And she tested it in her store, and it was really like, wow, awesome. But it's not so big. It's just like a cup. I think it's just the wire. See inside. For egusi, pepper, like it grinds very well, because she had one that she tried in her shop, and that's why I had to buy it. But sometimes I have a big blender, but it doesn't blend things like egusi, because my own big blender didn't come with a smaller cup, so it doesn't do all that. Just pepper this. So I'm really tearing some of the buttons. Here we have, I also got a manual blender, a hand part. Here. But I think everybody knows this. I'm really sweating. So this is like the manual blender everybody knows. You just it's plastic. In case there is no light. I'm in Nigeria. Though there's always light in my estate, but there might be days that there won't be light. And I will have to use that. So I also got fridge storage. Okay, this is also for pantry, but I'm specifically going to use this bottle for palm oil. Yes. So yeah. Then I also got fridge storage containers for tomato, fruits, and all of that. Then this is just for storage for my rice. A rice container, yeah, 10 kg, so I can basically just pour all my rice in here and close it. And this is 17 in one. Like, I really, where is the price? It's just 7.5. I really love this one, 17 in one. It's also a fridge storage container. Like, it has a long one, like fruit, whatever I want to put in the fridge, I can just easily use one of these. And it also has tiny ones too for spices also. Yeah, I think we're getting there. This is the laundry basket I got. So fine. Like, it has this thing. That means it won't sit on the floor, which means even if there's water spillage in the bathroom, it won't touch my dirty clothes because it will be up. It has these rolling tires. This is what inside looks like. It's really big. I don't know if you can see it. I think it's for like 13K. So here, laundry basket, and I think we're coming to an end. Right from the style. Yeah. So what do we have here? Okay. I have this. I bought this steel storage stuff for spices. It's really pretty. Like, I need to open it. This is what it looks like. It came with a stand, spices, you can see, and all of that. So this is it. 6 cups, and they all come with spoon inside. Can you see? The light reflection. See, they all come with spoons inside for different spices. Just putting it all. I got this set of spoons. The ones I have before are really bad, like they've gone bad, so I have to get a new set of the spoons. Yeah. Then this is oil bottle. Oil bottle is just 3.5. Sure, we all know this oil bottle. Just cover for control use of ground oil. So as I just vegetable oil or whatever oil I'm going to be using. Then this very cute mortar and pestle. So I've not opened it yet, but I'm sure you can see it. For any day I want to do ishewu or unkobi, I'll use it to serve my husband, especially Gotibo. I wanted to buy 2 for me and him. You know, it's a family of 2 for now. Yeah, but this was just the last one, the one I saw, so I got it, and it's aesthetically pleasing. I can just drop it on the marble, and it will look really nice. So I got this also. Then foot mats for my room. I got foot mats. So we have this. I have these. They're all foot mats. Then I have these for the children's room, obviously. So yeah. So I think let me hit it much. I don't know. I just found her on Instagram. I decided to go and check it out, and it was really awesome. Buying from her. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, sorry, I'm sweaty. Like I just got up, pushed these things from my car to the kitchen, and I'll do a video when I'm done arranging them. Okay, so thank you for watching till this point. I love you. Don't forget to click on the subscription button and the post notification button, just so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Of course, another video of showing you my kitchen and the rest of whatever renovation they are doing when they are done. Show you my apartment for a family of 2. We're changing it to something very comfy for me and my baby, my husband, of course. And yes, so that will be it. We'll be ending this video here. You can see I have a lot of work to do, so I have to go into really removing it from the packs and keeping them where they're supposed to be, washing them and keeping them where they're supposed to be. So yeah, see you in my next video. Don't forget, I love you so much, and don't forget to click on the subscription button, like, comment, share. What's your thoughts on the things I bought? Do you think they are so expensive? I know I didn't really say much of the price. Trust me, I've forgotten. I just when they took them and paid for them. But whatever it is you want to know the price, I can quickly ask her on her whatever, or share her number if you're in Port Harcourt. Her shop is in Port Harcourt. I'm sure she does delivery, but I don't know. This is not a sponsored ad or whatever. This is just I use my money to get everything. So yeah, bye.